Hello guys, today we're gonna play Raise a Floppa, and today we are gonna play it, and we're gonna just go play it, and we're gonna go show you all the recipes inside, and we're gonna go show you, and definitely it's kinda special, but I got from the up to the teeth batch when you get all recipes of it. Let's show you how to get recipe burger. You must go in the shop and let's see.